Hello all, welcome to the day 63 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 12. The question goes like this. Ankita, a biology student, is analyzing the growth of bacteria in a petri dish. The population of bacteria at any time in hours is modeled by the function p of t is equal to e power 2t. She is also using logarithmic methods to convert this exponential model into a linear form for better analysis. During her study, she compares the rates of change in population at different times and applies logarithmic differentiation to find precise values of population growth rate. Ankita also needs to understand whether these functions are differentiable and how their derivatives behave under different transformations. She creates composite functions and uses the chain rule and properties of logarithmic and exponential differentiation to analyze the data mathematically. Question 1. What is the derivative of p of t is equal to e power 2t with respect to t? P of t is e power 2t. Differentiating this with respect to time, on applying the chain rule, we get e power 2t times d by dt of 2t, which is e power 2t into 2. That is 2 e power 2t. So the answer is option B. Question 2. If f of t is equal to ln of p of t, where p of t is equal to e power 2t, then f of t is equal to, f of t is given as ln p of t, that is ln p of t is e power 2t. By the logarithmic properties, this can be written as 2t times ln e. Ln e is equal to 1. So the answer is 2t. Answer is option A. Question 3. Find the second derivative of f of t equal to e power 2t with respect to t. F of t is given as e power 2t. F dash of t is equal to, applying the chain rule, we get e power 2t times d by dt of 2t, which is equal to twice e power 2t. Differentiating this again, f double dash of t is equal to 2 times d by dt of e power 2t, which is equal to 2 into 2 e power 2t, that is 4 e power 2t. So the answer is option B. Question 4. Which of the following best describes the differentiability of the function f of t is equal to e power 2t? E power 2t is an exponential function. Exponential functions are smooth and continuous curves for all real values. Therefore, the answer is D, differentiable for all real t. Question 5. Using logarithmic differentiation, what is the derivative of y equal to? Let's take the function given y is equal to e power 2t to the whole power 3. This can be written as e power 60. On differentiating this, we get e power 60 into d by dt of 60, which is 6 times e power 60. So the answer is option A. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.